Look at all these veggies in my city food forest. Look at that. Look at my hands. It's swallowed. My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
I will be getting these amaranths, aka callaloo. Some right here and some other places in the garden. I also will be harvesting all of these pak choys and lettuces because I want to have them grow again so I can have a continuous harvest. And by that, I am only going to take off the outer leaves and leave the inner leaves. Like I will take everything from out this side and leave what is inside here so that it can always regrow and give me plenty more. So welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Welcome to all my new gardening family. Big ups to you, my faithfulers. I appreciate you one and all, and God bless you all. So let's get to it. I mean, these amaranths, they grow so quickly. This one is huge, fatter than me. Look at that. Stink bugs as usual. Woo, nice. Yeah, so this is all I'm getting from here. So this is where they're at now. So you can literally just check with me and to see how quickly they grow back. I noticed that these one right here, so they are redder. Alright, let me get this one. And yes, since the last time I harvest, it is growing back. For the persons living in St. Thomas and you need some red callaloo seeds, one of our beautiful family, Miss Danette over there in St. Thomas, she says she has some seeds, can share if you're within that area. So let me know and I'll get to her and get back to you. So I'm getting this one as well. Oh, I want to tell you that the bigger ones that I just got, they are more tender than these. I should have cut these already. Let me get this one. This one tender. Well, not so tender. Lovely. And this one, I'm getting this one as well. So let me take it from here. This one more tender too. So it seems as though I waited too long for these. They're okay now, but I like them when they're tender. Yeah. I think I have a few more around here that I want to get as well. I'm getting this one. This one. And this one. and I am deliberate in my planting and my growing now more than ever, because I want to ensure whenever I bless anyone with anything, I can give them a touch of everything. So God bless me and I bless others. Alright, so I am also going to get this green one right here. It's nice and tender too. And I'm looking to see if there's any more that I can get. The more the merrier. More people I can give. Yeah. Well, this one I'm going to seed. I'm going to take out the seeds outside of here and get them. And then nice and tender too. Rest it here so. And get this other one. Yeah. I think that's it for the green ones. Well, that's it for both of them. I am going to get the pak choys right now. And the lettuces. Alright, so I'm just getting all of the outer leaves like I've mentioned earlier, so that I can have a continuous harvest. So let's get to it. So this will be my second harvest from these pak choys. Look at the harvest that I had 3 weeks ago, or maybe 2 weeks, getting to 3 weeks, not 3 weeks completely. Alright, so I will continue to do this until the plants decide to go to seeds. Yeah. Man, look at this one. Oh my word. Look at that. Look at my hands. It's swallowed. Kindly asking you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so that others can come along, join me on this journey and allow the YouTube algorithm to put my video out there so others can get some inspiration. Thank you so much in advance and God bless you all. This one don't look so good, so I am going to save this one for me. So I'm not going to harvest it just yet. Guys, I just realized I was blocking the camera, you know. I got so caught up into harvesting. My apologies, alright? Y'all, look at what you can do in your gardens in the city. This is one bed, you know, guys. One bed. It has pak choy, it has cauliflower, it has a broccoli, it has some cucumber, it has some lettuce, it has some beans. One bed. And this is, let me tell you, this is about, the length is about, I'm not sure. I'm going to measure it and I'm going to insert it right here. The length is 74 inches and the width is 39 inches. Look at all of this. Such a blessing. And I got one of these before, almost 3 weeks ago. I'm going to get the lettuces now. So I follow the same procedure with the lettuce because I want to always come back for more. Look at all these veggies in my city food forest. If I can do it, you can do it too. Go ahead, grow that garden. Start somewhere, if it's even with one container. Because when you start with one container, when you see the results, you will be encouraged to plant more. And what a natural therapy it is. So thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica, man, and I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man.